Okay, we are gonna cook blackberries into this pot. Okay, we're at Mimi's house and we're next to the oven. Mimi.
What's in here right now?
Water.
That's right. The water goes at the bottom, and then we're gonna put this pan on the top of the water, and that's where the juice is gonna go.
Can I see if it's wet?
And then this one doesn't have anything in it. It's gonna have juice in it. And then we're gonna put this strainer. See, it's the pot with all the holes in it.
Yeah.
That is gonna go on the very top, and that's where the fruit is gonna go.
Yes, that's where it's gonna go. Bye.
Okay, so
Mimi, look what it looks like. Look what it looks like from here.
okay, so we're going to put some fruit in here. What are these?
Blueberries.
Blackberries.
Okay.
They're frozen, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because you can do this with frozen, or you can do it with fresh berries.
I put that in.
Yep. Want to dip this? There you go. Big helper. Thank you.
Thank
Okay. And another one. We put another one in. We picked a lot of berries,
Yeah.
didn't we? Good job.
Wow.
So put all those berries in there. Look at all these berries. Yeah. Thanks for the help.
Let's make sure they're not stick together.
That's right.
Because it's important, right?
That's right.
Hey, look.
What are you doing right now?
Look my hand. Stirring it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we put all the berries in here.
You see that?
Mm-hmm. And then
Can you go get the
that's the
timer
top
for me?
man.
Can you get the timer for me?
Just a minute, we don't need the timer. Then this pan is going to be where the juice goes. You can see that this is the little straw tube that goes on here.
And pour some.
The water is down here. So we're going to turn the stove on. This is going to boil. It's going to heat up. It's going to heat up the berries, and the berries are going to release their juice into this center pan. You can hear the water boiling somewhat. Now this tube here is what it is it's an overflow. It prevents this pot where the juice is going. It's going to prevent that from overflowing because the overflow is going to come out. I have my little setup here, which is my stool with a jar, and what I am going to do is, this has a little hook on the side. I'm going to take that off of there. I'm going to put that into the jar and here, and hold that there, and that's going to run the juice into that jar. And this right now has it's clamped, so no juice can escape, and the juice isn't up high enough to be able to flow through that jar right now. But when it is, I'm going to have that jar ready to just have the juice go right into it. And we'll collect it when that one's full. I'll clamp it off and replace it with another jar, and so on and so forth.
Girls, but she was safe inside the solid log walls. Their father gun hung over the door, and little Jack, the brindle bulldog, lay on guard before it.
This can be done with fresh or frozen berries. We've done it with peaches. You just have to remove the pits. We froze these. We froze our peaches as well when we did it with those. This is the manual. I say manual. It's a little pamphlet that came with the juicer. I can leave the link for the juicer. You have different vegetables that you can do. You can do asparagus, beets, carrots, celery, so on and so forth. All of them down here. It tells you how long to steam them, and it tells you how to prep them before you steam them. So it also has the different berries on this side with the same thing. Then you can add sugar. That is if you're going to drink it as a juice. I wouldn't add sugar to mine because I just want the juice to make jelly. I'll add sugar to the jelly, so I don't want to add it to this juice. But if you were going to drink it, you could do that. So that is the little booklet, little pamphlet. I'll leave the link, like I said, in the description box below if you are interested in this. Let's look inside, see what it looks like. Some of the fruit is still a little bit frozen. Look at the water boiling below. And like I said, it said to do this for 30 minutes, so to get any juice. So we're going to set the timer and juice this for about 30 minutes. Alright, so far you can see they are faded a little bit, but they still look like they have a little life in them. So we're going to keep juicing. You can see the tube here is filling up. This is our second jar that we're working on. We filled the other one. It's kind of neat how this works. When you clamp it, it starts filling right up again. You see the juice flowing into it. Smells good. Here's the first jar. It's a quart-size jar. Still pretty darn hot. And you want to make sure if you're using this to keep checking this bottom pan to make sure that the water level stays up. You don't want it to go dry.